Ketika cewek bermain shotgun.
When somebody love me, everything was beautiful. Every hour we spent together.
Ketika cowok bermain shotgun.